In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to initiate a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. To do this, open either the Microsoft Teams website or the application on your device. Once you're there, enter your account credentials to log in. This will bring you to your Teams dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate to the Chat section. Look towards the left-hand sidebar of your Teams interface. You'll find the Chat option. Click on it, and you'll see your conversation history there. This is where you can view all the one-on-one and group chats you've been part of. Next, we need to start a group chat for our three-way call. You can either select an existing conversation if you already have one chat open, or click on the Start a Group Chat icon. This icon usually looks like a small circular or square icon at the top of the chat section. When you click it, a new chat window will open, allowing you to gather all the participants needed for your call. Moving on to the next step, it's time to add participants to your group chat. At the top of this new chat window, you'll see a search bar. Start typing the names of the people you want to include in the call. Microsoft Teams will provide suggestions based on your input, so select each person from the list as they appear. Make sure to keep adding until you have all the individuals you want in your call listed in the chat. Once you have added everyone, the next step is to create the group. You'll see a button or action that finalizes the chat session. Click that button to formally set up your newly created group chat. It's the last step before you can initiate the call, so take a moment to verify that everyone you intended to invite is included. Now we're ready to start the audio call. Once the group chat is ready, locate the audio call icon at the top of the chat window. This icon typically resembles a phone or maybe a microphone. Click on it, and when you do, it will automatically ring all the participants simultaneously. They will receive a notification to join the call, and once they do, you'll be connected. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. This feature is especially helpful in a work setting where collaboration and communication are key. Remember, you can also easily share your screen or files during the call, enhancing the interaction even further. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to set up a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in